Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bright's autopay feature. Bright's autopay feature is designed to take the stress out of managing credit card payments. Once your credit cards and bank accounts are connected, Bright will automatically track your due dates and minimum payments. Enable autopay and Bright will make on-time payments for you, no manual efforts required. It ensures that every card gets at least the minimum amount before the due date. But Bright goes further. If you have extra cash, it uses smart algorithms to send additional payments, which of course helps you to reduce your balance faster and avoid interest charges. You're always in control. Just set your preferences and Bright does the rest safely and securely. With AutoPay, you can stay current on your debts and save money automatically. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.